These are some of the most incredibly unique small cars you'll ever see. Tesla Model S kid size. The mini Tesla Model S can reach speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour, and just like the adult-sized Tesla Model S, it's almost a complete replica. It even runs on a lithium-ion battery. Even if you can't fulfill your Tesla dreams, with this next toy car, you can always live vicariously through your kids. Mini McLaren P1. In true sports car fashion, the Mini McLaren can go from 0 to 5 kilometers in just 2 seconds. Modeled after the original hybrid McLaren P1 sports car, this kids version comes with some surprising features like air conditioning, an audio system, and functioning backlights. DB Jr. The British company Nicholas Mee & Co. created a fully functioning miniature Aston Martin called the DB Jr. Inspired by the Aston Martin DB models from the 1960s, this miniature car is powered by a 110cc 4-stroke petrol engine connected to a 3-speed semi-automatic gearbox capable of a top speed of 46 miles per hour. Power Wheels F-150. Perfect for the young car enthusiast, this miniature vehicle is modeled after the slightly larger SUV Ford F-150. And just like the real off-roader, the F-150 has increased handling on sandy and grassy surfaces, making it just that extra bit safer than your average electric toy vehicle. Unless a top speed of 8 kilometers per hour gets you nervous. Mini Truck. When it comes to toy cars for kids, you can't exactly go wrong with a truck. This particular mini truck is a pretty realistic scaled-down toy. It was designed with passenger cars that can hold 2 kids, it's equipped with a horn for immersive role-playing, and some models are even roomy enough to fit an adult. Herbie Mini Volkswagen Beetle. Inspired by the famous sports beetle Herbie, the sentient anthropomorphic car. We have a car small enough to fit a child, but I wouldn't recommend any 4-year-old driving Herbie. This tiny Beetle comes with an impressive 6.5 horsepower engine. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, Herbie packs a bit of a punch. Mini Lamborghini Countach. If you've always wanted to own a Lamborghini but could never swing those Lambo prices, then this scaled-down Lamborghini Countach is perfect for you or your kids. It's fitted with a 400cc Briggs & Stratton engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. Plus, with a $60,000 price tag, it'll also feel like you're buying a Lambo. Mini Bugatti Veyron. Luxury cars aren't just for the grown-ups anymore. With the Mini Bugatti Veyron, your kids will have a toy car so powerful that you wouldn't even want them riding it. This mini car comes with leather interiors, it's powered by a 500cc engine pumping out 40 horsepower, capable of reaching speeds of 55 miles per hour. Toyota Kamate. This customizable car is Toyota's toy car concept, first featured at the International Tokyo Toy Show back in 2014. The Kamate was created to get kids into the joys of driving and to draw out their creative side. It features a hood that allows kids to display their own special designs on it, using just crayons or paint. Mercedes-Benz GLS 63. Turns out, Mercedes-Benz, the internationally renowned car brand, has a surprisingly large number of car models just for kids. These toy cars come in all shapes and sizes, but the GLS 63 is where Mercedes put all their love. It features 2 leather seats, side open doors, and an MP3 player. Arrow Smart Kart. Introducing the first electric smart kart for kids. A supercharged go-kart that's fun for the whole family. Unlike your regular electric go-kart, Arrow lets you monitor the vehicle through a handy-dandy phone app, allowing you to stop, start, and even control the speed of the kart. We're really living in the future now.